This is the Arrma Granite 4x4 BLX 3S. Just got the first add-on for it, some new tires, speed treads. A little bit smaller than the original ones, but hopefully it lowers the car and they don't balloon as much. I was running these. I upgraded to the 3S, so they look pretty sweet. I'm gonna strap them on and see how it looks. There's one side done, dropped it down quite a bit. Seems like they are, probably can't see it, but they seem like they're glued pretty good, so hopefully that holds up. They did come with 12mm hex adapters. These are 14mm. So if they want to run them on the slash, they'd actually be pretty sweet on the slash. I'll go put on the other side now. Oh, there they are. Lowered the car drastically. Glad I changed them. I found a chunk out of this tire. I don't know how that happened, but we'll run them till they're bald. And I'm gonna take it outside and see how it does.